I would like to introduce a new functionality in NX CMM inspection programming, particularly in the logic editor automation studio. So I will first show you this new rule, what is available. So in CMM inspection programming, we have a set of rules, and lately we have implemented a constructed feature nodes, as this was the only part missing from CMM inspection programming to complete the automation studio. And we also added a description what you can use, and in this example I will use the construct best fit along these green holes here. So I will introduce you to this rule, which is the best fit circle by color. And this rule actually automatically finds the inspection workpiece, and the only input it is asking for is to select a face, because this rule is actually creating a best fit circle between cylinders with the same color. So in this case we have this beautiful pattern here with these green holes, and it will create us all these green holes and best fit circle between these holes. So I will finish this rule and save it into the inspection setup, and then I can actually pull this rule, call it, and execute it. But I need to select the face. I select the face, and then you can see that the corresponding features were generated, and also a best fit circle was generated between these holes. Extending this rule, it is possible to add inspection paths and further improve it to accept holes, for example, which are only on a certain circular pattern. But it's a very efficient way to automatically generate the inspection features and inspection paths for known imaginary geometries.